How to use Watch Together on Facebook Messenger. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Facebook Messenger app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you're just going to have to tap on the chat where you want to use Watch Together. So the first thing you need to do basically is turn on the video chat or call them and just press on the video icon that you see at the top right corner. And once they pick up the call, your screen should look something like this, and then you can just go ahead and tap on your screen to bring out a menu options. And on this menu option, you can just go ahead and tap on the center option where it shows the media right between the mute and the speaker button. And if you tap on it, you will have an option to share your screen. You also have an option to play games. So right besides the share option, you have play. And if you tap on it, you can play different games as well. But basically, you just want to tap on the start sharing option. And then from here, you can start sharing your screen and watch videos together. So you could use any videos on your phone or online to watch it together on Facebook Messenger. And once you are done, you can just tap on the stop option to stop sharing your screen. And that's how you use the Watch Together feature on Facebook Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.